Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the crypto, you might be wondering how do I actually store my crypto safely. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Coinbase Wallet step by step, from setting it up to receiving, sending and managing your crypto securely in 2025. By the end, you will feel confident using your own self-custody wallet. So let's jump right into it. So first of all, you just need to understand what is Coinbase Wallet actually. So first thing first, let's clear up one thing, that Coinbase Wallet different from your Coinbase exchange amount. Your Coinbase account holds your crypto on the exchange, but the Coinbase Wallet is a self or safe custody wallet, which means you control your keys, you control your crypto. You can use it to store coins, NFTs, and even connect to DeFi apps. Now let's talk about to download and set it up. So let's get set up. You just need to go to the App Store or Google if you're using the mobile or you have any device phone. Then you just need to download the app Coinbase Wallet, download the official app and open it up and create a new account. But if you are from the desktop you are using, then you just need to visit on coinbase.com. Then you just need to create an account. So how you can do it, you just need to go over here to the sign up if you are new here. Here you can see the future of money is here. We are the most trusted place for people and business to buy, sell, manage crypto. So you just need to copy your mail address from that place and then paste it here. Here you can see the Sakashi@nakamoto.com. This is the official owner of Bitcoin. As you know, if you have a little bit interested in Bitcoin, now you just need to provide that one and just click to the sign up. Once you click over here, it will take a couple of minutes and then it will redirect you to the next page. So Coinbase will then show you 12-word recovery phrase. This is the most important part. Write it down on paper, never store it digitally, and keep it somewhere safe. This phrase is only way to recover your wallet if you lose your phone or forget your password. So here I will go with the Google. So I'll click over here, then I'll select my address and then I'll just click to the continue. Once I click over here to the continue, then it will take us a couple of minutes. So here they are not giving us the options to create an account. Maybe please sign in, an account already exists for this email. Okay, that's great. So I'll click this one and I will try to sign in here. I'll select this one and then just click to the continue. And here it will redirect us to that place. So the password I did not remember, so I'll click on forget password and then reset password. So I will reset the password in here. So let's say yes, we already get the reset password, and here we will choose a new password from that place. So I will choose the new password and I will provide the password in here. As you can see, I am doing this work. This is really important to have a good password. So here you can see. So now you can see that confirm password we already provided. You just need to click on update. Once you click over here, it will take a couple of minutes for the update. Once it update, now you are able to go here and log into your account. So I'll copy the email and then just click to the continue and then I will provide the password file. And here it already been done. I will just click to the continue. Once I click over the continue, it will land me to the dashboard. So here you can see the process. So this is similar process you will get also. So now they are telling us to provide a number to verify. You can delete it or you can just remove this one. You are not signed in yet. Okay, no problem. Just click to the no or you can click to the yes. Okay, and it will redirect you to that place. So you just need to provide your number here. Now let's talk about the secure your wallet. After you write down your recovery phrase, the app will ask you to confirm it by reading the words. So this makes sure you saved it correctly. Once confirmed, your wallet is ready for extra security. Turn on Face ID or PIN inside the app setting. Remember, Coinbase cannot help you recover your funds if you lose your phrase. You are your own bank right now. So now let's talk about the receipt payment. So here actually on the home screen you will get an options called tap receipt. So select which crypto you want to receive, like Ethereum, or Bitcoin. You will see your wallet address. It is a long string of letters and numbers plus a QR code. Copy this address and share it with sender or scan the QR code. Always double check the network. For example, if someone sends Ethereum, make sure they're sending it on the Ethereum network. So here you can see this is the tradable, this is the top gainers in this month. And then if you want to send the crypto by using this Coinbase, you are also able to do it. Like you just need to click on or tap to the send on your home screen, then pick the coin you want to send, enter the receptionist wallet address and the amount. Double check the address. Crypto transaction are irreversible, so be safe always. If the network allows you can also adjust the gas fee. Higher fees process faster. Once you are sure, tap send and your crypto is now its way. So it is so simple. Now let's talk about to connect the apps. So here, if you can see, this is the cryptocurrency individuals buy and sell option wallet, Coinbase one chain learn. So many things we have, but if you want to, like, one powerful feature of Coinbase wallet is that you can connect it to a decentralized apps or the apps like Uniswap, OpenSea or DeFi protocol. To do this, tap the browser icon into the app, search the app you want. For example, it could be an Uniswap, then connect your wallet when promoted. And now you can swap tokens, buy NFTs or stake cryptos directly from your wallet. Now let's talk about the backup and restore. Like, what if you change phones? No problem, you can restore your Coinbase wallet on a new device anytime. Just download the app, tap I already have a wallet and enter your 12-watt recovery phrase. I already mentioned that 12-watt recovery phrase are really important. You just need to be enter wallet, coins, NFTs and connected. The apps will be restored again and keep the phrases safe again. Now let me give you tips to stay safe. So never share your recovery phrase with anyone. Lazy support staff will never ask for it. Be cautious of fake DFs. Only connect to trusted site. If you get suspicious messages or links, ignore them. Double check wallet address before sending any crypto. Self-custody gives you freedom, but it is also means you are responsible for your crypto. And let me give a bonus link to Coinbase exchange. Did you know you can easily link your Coinbase wallet to your Coinbase exchange amount or account? This makes it simple to move funds back and forth. Just tap connect to Coinbase and in the wallet app and sign in. It's very that much easy that this is. And that's it for today. You now know the complete beginner guide to using Coinbase wallet step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.